Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today I will tell you how to make a simple muffler. It is very easy to make. Okay, let's start making it. So we will start with a slip knot. And now you will make chains that you want the length of your muffler, like the width of your muffler. Okay, so if you want a width, you no need to be specific 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever width of the muffler you want, you make the chains. Like we will make 20 right now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. So these are 19 chains, but as I said, I want 20. So means I want to work on these 20 chains. Okay, so first I will hold this 19th chain here. Okay, this 19th chain I will be holding, and then I will make 20, 21 and 22 like this. So 20 plus 2 I will make, but I'm holding 19th chain here. This one is my 19th chain. Yarn over, I'll come to the 19th chain here. I'll come to the 19th chain, I'll go back, yarn over, come back, and now a double crochet. Is it clear? So now this is my 20th double crochet. These 3 chains I will count them as 20th double crochet. Okay, so like this we will do. So 1 double crochet, 2nd double crochet, and now yarn over now here in the next. I made 3 double crochets here. Now what we will do, yarn over, and we will 1 2 3rd. In the 3rd we will skip to 1 2 and 3rd. In the 3rd we'll go back, yarn over, and come back. We'll make a double crochet in the after skipping 2 chains. In the 3rd chain we made a double crochet, and now 2 chains. Now we'll do like this. Okay, because now we'll have to work in this chain. Yarn over and here 1 double crochet, 2nd double crochet, and 3rd double crochet, right? And now we'll again yarn over, and we will skip 1 2 and 3rd chain. We'll skip 2 chains and we'll come to the 3rd chain. So this is 1 2, we will not work in these 2, 3rd chain. 1 double crochet in the next, second, and here 3rd double crochet. Okay, again yarn over, again same 1, we'll skip 1 2 and 3rd chain, and we'll make this same pattern again. 2 chains, yarn over here, 1 double crochet, 2nd double crochet, 3rd double crochet. Now yarn over, again we will skip 1 and 2 chains. Okay, and in the 3rd chain we are here. Okay, skip 1, skip 2 in the 3rd chain, one double crochet here, second double crochet, and this is our third double crochet. Now if you are remaining with this one chain, no problem, leave it, tight it. Okay, if you want little bigger length, you can make few more chains like we made here. Total, 20 plus 2. You can make 30 also, 30 plus 2, but you will have to keep your finger on 29th chain, the way we did in the start. And when you will start with 3 double crochets, you will end with 3 double crochets. The remaining chains you can leave, no problem. Okay, no problem in that case, but it should be in symmetry, like start to end. Don't end here because this cannot be left hanging, it need a support. So we will end with 3 double crochets here. Okay, is it clear? Now what we will do, now we will make a chain and we'll turn our project like this. Okay, and now if you will see it carefully, you have, after turning your project, you have this hole. Can you see this? I'm telling you a different way of making a double crochet. When you turn your project, it will keep your project straight. So what you will do, after turning your project, you will go here and make a single crochet. Okay, and now you can see these two. Now in this one, you will not go here, otherwise the chain, this will come out again. You will go to this one here. Okay, can you see this clearly? In this one, in the back one, you will go and like this again you will make a single crochet. So this is your, you will count this as your 1 double crochet after you turn your project. Okay, now second double crochet on the top of second, and third double crochet on the top of this third. Okay, so we got 3 double crochets, 1 and 2 chains, and now can you see this here on the top of this? Here you will make a single crochet, again 1 and 2 chains, and now you will come to this. You'll make a double crochet here on the top of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, again 2 chains, and here you made 2 chains in the start. Now for making this, here these are those 2 chains. Here you will make a single crochet, 2 chains again, and now 3 double crochet on the top of these 3 double crochets. So 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and now on this chain here we made 3 chains, the top chain. Okay, on the top chain you will make third double crochet here, this. So this is, you can make a blanket also, you can make anything using this method. The length you will decide, and in the last, if there is any, you can leave. Now we will do the same, little bit loose, this. Okay, and now you will turn your project, and now you can see this place here. You will take your hook to this little hole and come back, and you will make a single crochet, and now in this, okay, in this you will go back again, you will make a single crochet, and now you will repeat the same. What you will be doing, yarn over here. You can, this is very stylish. This is gonna be a very stylish muffler. Okay, after making one, we are counting this as 1 double crochet. 1 2 3 double crochets, yarn over. Okay, yarn over. You will make on this, for you made this single crochet here. You will make a double crochet, 2 chains, yarn over in this. Now again 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and third double crochet. Okay, and now you will yarn over and you will come here and you will make 1 double crochet, second and third, yarn over. You will come to this here, two chains, yarn over. Now in this 1 double crochet, second and third, yarn over here, 1 double crochet, second double crochet. Now I will tell you where you will work in this, where you will make your next double crochet here. First yarn over. Can you see 2 chains here? Two these stitches. One is this one, another is this one. You will work in this. See, one is this stitch here and another is this stitch here. The top stitch you will be working. Okay, so let us make our last double crochet here on this top stitch. Now again we will make a chain, turn our project, and we will search for this little hole here and we'll make a single crochet, and again we'll go back and again we'll make a single crochet. Now 1 double crochet here and another one more double crochet, 2 chains, a single crochet, 2 chains, one double crochet, second, third double crochet, yarn over, okay. Now 1 chain and second chain, and now we will make a single crochet in this, again 2 chains and 3 double crochets here, 1 2, third is yarn over in this place. This is the top stitch here. Okay, now after this, to make this our muffler little stylish, what we will do, 1 chain, turn our project, first this only, our different kind of this is double crochet to make our edges straight. Now we will make double crochets here, and in the next one, right now we got 3 double crochets, 2 here, in this gap, 2 in this gap, 1 double crochet in this stitch. Okay, 2 again in this gap, and then 3 on the top of 3 here, 1 double crochet, second and third. Okay, now 2 in this gap, one in this single crochet, and 2 again in this gap. And now 3 on the top of these 3, 1, 2, and third is this one. Like this. Okay, now we'll again turn our project. Okay, and now in the next, and again in the next, 3 double crochets total. Now yarn over, 1, 2 in the third place. Okay, 1, 2 in the third place, like this. What I did here, yarn over, I missed 1, I missed 2, and second and the third one I made a double crochet, 2 chains, and now in this gap, 1, 2, and third. Okay, yarn over, now 1, 2 and the third, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Now yarn over, 1, 2 in the third, again the same, 2 chains, and after that 1, 2 and 3 in this gap, and after that 1, 2 and third. Okay, third we will miss 2, and in the third we will make 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and in this stitch here, can you see it's not hanging all the time? After 2 rows we are making this double crochet lane, and then again turning our project, and the same thing we will be doing. I will make it once, and then you can keep on making the same way. Okay, now 1 double crochet, second double crochet, 2 chains, single crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, second, third, 2 chains, single crochet, 2 chains, again 1 double crochet, second, is it clear? So one more time you will make it like this here, the way we have made 2 rows, and then again you will repeat the same pattern. So how is it? You can make a blanket also using a bigger chain base, or you can keep on making like this and make a muffler or anything you want. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family members, and keep crocheting. Please support my channel. Take care. Bye bye.